And we're live. Hi Rashmi.
Hi Vinod,
Namaskara.
namaskara. Happy Deepavali ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ.
Same to you Rashmi and happy Diwali to everybody. ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ದಿವಾಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ರಶ್ಮಿನೇ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. So one before we start, one the small confusion that's been happening. I don't know how many people noticed. So I think we're on episode number 17 or 18. And if you wonder what happened to episode number 1, 2, 3, or 4, initially when Chandru put his post, I considered that as number 1, and then Shilpa, Purnima, and Manju also posted something, and they said we also have posted. So I took that as number 1, 2, 3, 4, and I always wanted to do an interview with them. And as and when I did the interview, I should have made that into number 1, 2, 3, and 4. But I think I made the mistake of continuing with whatever we started. So number 3 or 4. So my first podcast was with Sushma, and that was number 3 or 4. So we continued that from there. So with all your permission, I'm going to keep this as episode number 1, which is Rashmi's. So Rashmi's will be episode number 1, and eventually when Chandru and Manju also do, that will become 2 and 3. And then we'll continue with our episode numbers, which is 17, 18, or 19. Then coming back to today's show, coming back to today's episode. So Rashmi is somebody I've always uh, looked at a person who's very calm, very chilled out, extremely very peaceful, and always smiling, always giggling. Rashmi ನಗ ಒಂದು ನನಗೆ ರಶ್ಮಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಏನ್ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡಿಸ್ತೀನೋ, ರಶ್ಮಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಗ್ತಾಳೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. She's got a very nice laughter, and I hope she keeps laughing like this all the time. And to me, she's my ಯಾಕೋ. So ರಶ್ಮಿ, ಈ
Rowdy
ವಾರ ಏನ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ?
painting.
Painting. Am I audible, Rashmi?
Yes, yes.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ breaks ಇರಬಹುದು. You're able to hear?
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ yeah, fine. I'm fine.
Okay.
I can hear.
Suppose ಏನ ಕೇಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ you please ask me to repeat. I will do that. So we are talking about painting. ಯಾವ ತರ painting ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ರಶ್ಮಿ?
I do all ಎಲ್ಲ medium painting ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So I do
Okay.
Mysore painting, Tanjore, knife painting. Then I do
Okay.
oil painting. Any painting. I love to paint
Okay.
with colors.
Okay. You also do stained glass ಅಲ್ವಾ? Stained glass ಏನೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Stained glass. Nanu Chaitra, I and Chaitra and Siri, we started doing tea light glasses. So we
Okay.
used to keep it in exhibitions and all. We did for some time. Now, like my kid and Chaitra's kid, they're in higher grade, so we have stopped keeping in the shows and all. But
Okay.
another 2 years, then again we will start to do something together.
Restart it.
Yeah, restart.
ನನಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇದೆ, I'd come for one of your exhibitions in St. Mark's Cathedral veranda
Ye-
ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗ I think you guys also had stall, you, Chaitra,
And
and
Siri,
Siri
Siri was
ನೋಡ್ದಂಗೆ
there
ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ
with
ಇಲ್ಲ.
us. Mm.
Okay. So you're multifaceted. ಇದಲ್ದೇನೆ you also do a lot of uh, lip smacking cakes.
I
And
love to
people
bake.
should know Rashmi has been avoiding this conversation, what we're doing today, for almost 2 or 3 months. Every time I've requested her to come, she's always been busy with saying I'm baking cakes. And I think it's worth the effort that you're doing, because we had that cake in our mini reunion when Sushma had come. Cake sakkatagiತ್ತು, superb. I wish I had
Thank
not
you.
come on the bike. Otherwise, that leftover cake I would have taken and gone.
Next time we will do a big one for next reunion.
ಆ ಕೇಕ್ ಯಾರು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಇವಾಗ?
I only got it back. Nobody liked it. I took it back.
ಎಂತದಿಲ್ಲ, everybody liked it. I had it twice anyways.
Okay.
Okay, painting. So okay, one more thing I want to say. Rashmi is a member of a very prestigious club in college called the 6 Years Club, which I'm also a part of.
Yes.
So
Very
if you guys
proud
are
to
wondering,
be there for
very
6
proud.
years.
ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ನಾವು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ತರ ಸುಮ್ನೆ 5 ವರ್ಷ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೌರವ,
We
ಪ್ರೀತಿ
didn't wanted
ಎಷ್ಟು
to leave
ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು
college.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಡಿಡ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಲೀವ್ ಇನ್ 5 years. ಸೊ 1 year ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ.
Yes.
ಸೊ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಂಡರಿಂಗ್ ಹೌ ಕಮ್ 6 years ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು 1 ವರ್ಷ ಡುಮ್ಕಿ ಹೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅದು ರೋರಿಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ 6 Years ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಆಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ರಶ್ಮಿ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ವಿ ಇನ್ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್
Painting. Yes.
ಅಲ್ವಮ್ಮ?
Yes, yes.
ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 6 Years Club.
Yes. And Vinod knows what I am.
We all know who we all are.
Yes.
ಸರಿ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ with today's topic. So painting, I mean, you were a painting student, you specialized in painting. But ಬೇರೆ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನನ್ ಕಂಡಂಗೆ ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಡು ಅಕ್ರಿಲಿಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ನಂತರ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಶುರು ಹಚ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Traditional painting. Like after second year, when Dumki Ordaga, Nanjun Rao sir told me he saw my work in this thing. Second year, the exhibition in Arita. I think I had done some line drawing or something.
ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡನ್ ಚಿತ್ರಸಂತೆ.
ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ I did some work or something. So Nanjun Rao sir ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು he told during holidays you come and sit in
Teach.
traditional painting class.
Okay.
You can do there antala he told me. You just learn that art anta. Then I started doing that. Almost for a year I did traditional painting.
Okay. So traditional painting you did both the Tanjore as well as Mysore, ಎರಡೂನು?
No, in college ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಮೈಸೂರ್ painting ಅಷ್ಟೇ they teach. Tanjore Sushila Devi ma'am hatra I went to her home. There I learned.
Who's this person? Sushila madam?
Sushila Devi ma'am who used to teach traditional painting in college. The same lady. That she was very good. She taught me very well. She was very strict to me. Always I used to get scoldings and all. But when people see my work and when they appreciate, I really feel very nice. I always remember Sushila Devi ma'am and Nanjun Rao sir.
Okay. I think ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೆಚೂರಿಟಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಆ ಬೈದಿದ್ದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೊಗಳಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಒಂದು ಕಾರಣ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಗೌಡ ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೆಚಸ್ ಆಫ್ 20 sketches, I don't think many of us would have got that skill of drawing well, of sketching well. And ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೇಮ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸುಶೀಲಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪೆಂಡ್.
Yes.
ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಅದೇ ನಿನ್ಗೆ ವಾರ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೈಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ. ಮೇ ಬಿ 10 years ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ನ ಅಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ 4th year, 5th year, 3rd, 4th year and 5th year, ಆ ಜೊತೆಗೆ you were also doing traditional painting side by side?
Yes. Traditional painting I used to get orders that time. When I was in 3rd, 4th year and all, I used to get orders. So I started doing more of traditional painting and less of college work.
Okay.
So like that, I used to do more of traditional painting.
Okay. There's a small network issue. We just wait for it to settle out. Then I'm sure. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can.
ಈಗ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ರಶ್ಮಿ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್, ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಕೆಚಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪರ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅನಾಟಮಿ, ಪೋರ್ಟ್ರೇಚರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಇತ್ಯಾದಿ. ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆತರ ಕೋರ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ?
Initially they will start with pencil work. You need to do designs and all, no freehand we have to do.
Okay.
Then they will
Okay.
start with the colors. Then they will
Mm-hmm.
teach one plain work without gold, gesso and all. Then
Okay.
they will teach us one fine painting. For that, it will take at least like 1 to 2 months. They'll just teach you lines, all this kind of a thing. Then they will
Okay.
give you designs.
Okay.
Then it will take at least 2 to 3 months to come for a
Okay.
proper work.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಈಗ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ ಕಂಡಂಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ
Mm.
ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಫ್ಲೋರಲ್
Yes, yes.
ಡಿಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್
Mm.
ಸೊ is there a specific training for that to do a lot of curves and
Yes, yes. You need to
circular
do it on the
motions?
paper with the brush.
Okay.
Initially, we
Okay.
had to do with pencil. Then we have to do with the that 000 brush. We need to use that,
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
and we have to
ಒಂದ್ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್
practice.
ತಗೊಂಡು ರೀಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಆತರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರಾ?
Not a painting. In this thing, cartridge paper book, we had to do, like with the brush. We
Okay.
need to draw designs and all
Okay.
freehand. So
Freehand.
like
Okay.
that they will teach.
ಓಕೆ ಒನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನನ್ಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ತಲೆಗೆ ಬಂತು ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್
Mhm.
ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಟ್ ಮೆನಿ ಮೆನ್ ಆದ ಏನು
Yes. Mm.
ಮೋರ್ ಆಫ್ ವುಮನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ
Yes, yes, more of. I think one uncle was there and one boy was there. Even he was from our college.
ಓಕೆ
Like only two men were there in the class.
ಓಕೆ
Yeah.
ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಇಫ್ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಕೋರಿಲೇಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ರಂಗೋಲಿ ಹಾಕೋದು ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಫೆಮಿನೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ವುಮನ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಯು ಕೆನ್
Mm.
ನಾಟ್ ಸೇ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇದು ಮೇಲ್ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಜೆಂಡರ್ ಬಯಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ
Mm.
with all that very floral kind of a thing I think it's very woman oriented ಅಂತ ನಂಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ
I
which is why
think
it
because
prompted me to ask that
I
question.
think we will have more patience. I think no, it needs lot of patience. No, for these kind of painting, you have to sit for hours together and work. I think that also might be the thing.
ಒಂದೇ ಸತಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ರಶ್ಮಿ ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
No patience for you guys.
ಓಕೆ ಕೋಡ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ you used to get orders when you were in college itself. So this continued after college also breakup so break agi ಇನ್ನೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಾ or you just continue doing traditional painting?
No, I always continue doing traditional painting. With that, I started doing painting with knife,
Okay.
and no, I was good at gesso. Then I was good at mehndi also. All these
Okay.
things, no, I picked like from everything. Like even in school, we used to have art and craft. So there also my teachers were too good. Like whatever, like many things I do now, like I had taken all from my school days. So my
Okay.
school two teachers and my principal was very much interested in all this painting and all. During summer holidays and all, she used to call me to school. She used to tell, I'm learning something like this. Even you can also join. Like that, she was
Okay.
like, she used to support
Okay.
me so much. Like
Okay.
that, I
Okay.
started interest, in all this. So now
Okay.
also I'll put few things. I'll take from my school days work and all. Even for in baking also, even in painting also, many things I have adopted from my like school days and all.
Oh, okay. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮಗ್ ತಂದಿರೋ ಕೇಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ
ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ರೌಂಡ್ 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 ರೌಂಡ್
ಎಂತದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಏನೋ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬಿಸಾಕಿದ್ದೆ
ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅವತ್ತು ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಶೋರ್ ದಟ್ ಐಲ್ ಕಮ್ ದಟ್ ಡೇ
ಕಮಿಂಗ್
ಐ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಶೋರ್ ಸೊ
ಓಕೆ okay
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್
so knife paintings sure thank you so much knife paintings how many do you do I mean so you do all kind of work you do stained glass and then you do knife painting and then you do traditional painting which is Tanjore and Mysore and as well as mixed media so how do you get the time to do everything is it based on projects or is it based on self interest okay I've done enough traditional now let me go and do some knife painting
ಯಾ
inspiration ಹೇಗೆ
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ
ಬರುತ್ತೆ
I used to do traditional painting like for long hours, like If I sit today morning, then for lunch and all I used to get up, but till 4 o'clock morning and all I used to sit and do with the same stretch. Few
For traditional
paintings in
painting.
2 weeks. Yeah, traditional painting. If I sit,
Okay.
I feel very nice when I do my work. So I don't get
Okay.
distracted. I'll sit for hours and no, I will work like
Okay.
that. From 3 4 years, my sleeping pattern became like
Okay.
not like I was not getting sleep. I had got used to this kind of this thing schedule.
Routine.
Morning
Hmm.
4, I used to sleep. Then no, not only 4 hours like that. I used to sleep.
Hmm.
So now I have stopped traditional painting, but
Okay.
again I'll be starting now after 2 years. Now I want to start traditional
Okay.
painting.
Okay.
During that gap, I thought I was getting bored. Then I thought, let me learn baking.
Okay.
So I started baking during that time. From
Acha.
3 years, I'm doing baking now.
Okay. One
And in
traditional
between,
painting. Sorry, sorry. Please go on.
no, in between, I do like acrylic painting, and I'll have like order works, and also I will do. I enjoy even a small piece of art also, like even if it is something small, if I like something, then I'll try to do it. That is my this thing.
Okay. Okay. So traditional painting only one of the photos that you sent me, Rashmi.
Mm.
Uh, where is it? Where is it? Just give me a second. Huh. So there is one of Raghavendra Swamigal Kutirodo. That's very
Mm.
different, Allah. It's not a
Although,
regular Tangier or a Mysore painting. It's almost semi-realistic.
yes, yes.
So
Uh,
this is your own creation, or this also is a temperatized one?
this is my own creation. Like my
Okay.
mom, like she wanted this painting to be done for her house.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I did this
Hmm.
one.
I
It's
really
with
liked it. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅದು.
watercolors and all. Mm,
Oh, okay. Couldn't make out, but ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
thank you.
And one more interesting piece, I'm sure you guys will see it. I think she did it this was a joint project, which was done by both what am I talking? Blah, blah, blah. With both
Chaitran.
Chaitra and Rashmi. It was a table and looks very, very pretty. I don't know if you
It's a
guys can
wooden
see.
chest actually.
Yeah, yeah, very, very, very nicely done. Very, very beautifully done. So, how long did you guys take to do this?
This we took 2 nights and half a day.
Okay, okay. Come
Mm.
out really well. I really liked it. How big is this?
I think it was around 6 feet by 3, something like that.
Okay,
6 feet, I think.
nice, very nice. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. And this was a commission work, ಅಲ್ಲ?
Yes, yes, we did for some architect
Mm-hmm.
for Salarpuria Greenhedge show flat.
Okay,
This was
okay.
fun. Like they came
Yeah,
and they approved and
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
they want.
You should do more, Rashmi. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಇದು. Maybe a series. ನಾನು uh, there was a national artist camp that happened when we were all in college. I don't
Mhm.
remember which year. ಅಂಜಲಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಒಂದು
Ila Menon.
ಟೇಬಲ್ ನ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅದು. It reminds me,
I
it's
always,
a different,
even I
it's a bit
like her
different.
work. Mm.
Yeah, yeah. So Monet, I was just going through all my old works and all that. ಅವಾಗ ಅದ್ರದ್ದೊಂದು ಫೋಟೋನೇ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೇನೋ, or I had a badge. ಅವಾಗ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಬಂತು. So this is something probably I'll be interested in if I had if you guys are not very expensive, I would have loved to buy and keep a whole set of those in my house. But
We will start doing all this now. We're just waiting for one more year. After
hmm,
that, and Chaitra, we want to start. Like we'll
okay,
start again
okay.
together.
Okay. So how often do you now do traditional painting? ಇವಾಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ? You're not doing anything
Mm.
with traditional painting?
I have two incomplete work. I will have to start that. I will
Okay.
finish that very soon.
Okay. And how big
Mm.
are your paintings? That again depends on project to project variation.
Yes, yes. Mm. Few of my works I'll keep for myself. I want to do a show, so I
Mm-hmm.
have kept few of my works with me only.
Okay.
So I have to do that. But whenever I do,
Okay.
somebody if they like, they will buy it off. So like that, it's going, keep
Okay.
going. But very
You should
soon,
stop showing it to people. Another show agada, like it'll just be going.
I
So how
don't
many
get
paintings do you
money,
think you've
Vinod.
done?
I need money.
That is coming from your cakes, no?
That is very small amount from cake.
Hmm.
So
Uh, so till now, how many paintings have you done? Traditional painting.
I don't remember.
Andajali. On Andajali, maybe wild guess.
I'd have done some 55 to 60.
You have taken pictures of all of them?
No, I would have taken, but I've not stored. Some people will see some work and they'll tell, I want this. So I'll just make a recopy work of my work.
Okay.
So it has gone. Few I have not, I have pictures, but
Uh-huh.
I
Why
don't
don't
have
you
all my work.
Facebook account ಇದೆಯಾ?
No, I have not done it.
Make a Facebook page. I'll help you if you want. It'll be interesting. You're doing so many variety of works. Knife and traditional and stain. Stained glass ಹೆಂಗ್ ಶುರುವಾಯ್ತು? When did you start that? Was it again based on ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಕಾಯ್ತು, let me do something else ಅಂತ ಬಂತ, or you just generally wanted to try something else?
Actually, we used to stay in Singapore. We just moved back to Bangalore. Then that time only Siri
Okay.
also had come to India. So Chaitra
Hmm.
also was there. One day we were just thinking, let us do something for fun. Let us start something like that. Then we thought it was during Diwali Christmas time. So we thought, let us do this like that. We used to meet
On,
every day. We used to
on this.
sit and paint together. It was fun.
Okay. Okay. So
That
stained glass you guys learned from somewhere or self-taught?
self-taught.
Self-taught. So
Mm.
the the three of you sat together and you just learned on your own.
Yes, yes. It's not proper
And
like that
how many
cut stain.
sections and okay.
Sorry, it's stained glass painting. You know, this that
Some network
proper
issue.
stained glass.
Okay.
Mm.
I'm just looking at the reference. So either the how many exhibitions and stalls or shows did you do based on these?
We did, I think, some. I think we did at least 10 we would have done together, me and Chaitra.
Okay.
Initially, Siri
Okay.
was there
So
with us for 3, 4 shows. Then she was
hmm,
busy with something else. Then I and
hmm,
Chaitra, we both continued with this. We used to do coasters and no this key holders and all. People
hmm,
used to
hmm.
they used to like this to buy. It was good fun actually.
Yeah. Very colorful and very cheerful looking. At least at the whatever picture you've sent me of the glasses, ತುಂಬಾನೇ colorful ಆಗಿದೆ. So either this also you've given a break.
No, I sometimes I do on a mirror kind of a thing,
Hmm.
like that. I've not stopped anything. Whenever I feel I have to do something with that, I'll jump for that. Then again I'll
Hmm.
get back. It's like that.
Okay. And knife painting interest ಯಾವಾಗಿಂದ start ಆಯ್ತು? Because I don't remember seeing you doing any knife painting in college.
Mm-hmm. This I saw a show in Singapore. I had been to some art show. There I saw painting. I really liked it.
Hmm.
Then I started doing with textures and all like that. I started doing with knife painting.
So I'm presuming that's acrylic color.
Yes, acrylic.
Okay.
Acrylic.
Um have you thought of doing any mixed media? A little bit of traditional, little bit of knife painting merging together ಆ ಥರ ಏನಾದ್ರು?
No, because traditional, I take designs and I'll do. sometimes
Hmm.
with small works
Hmm.
and all. But traditional we do with gold foil, and colors are limited, and no designs are limited. So I want to keep the tradition. I don't want to, mix with
Break it.
tradition, and it's
Yeah,
like
I
that.
understand, but the Raghavendra Swamiಗಳು painting ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, you've broken the tradition ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
I have used jewelry and all, but only
Okay.
Raghavendra Swami is different. But behind that Panchamukha Anjaneya and all, it is a
Hmm.
traditional
Hmm.
work again. So
Right, right.
only Raghavendra Swami, I have done it like that.
So that's what I'm saying. That looks interesting. If you consider that as mixed media, that's very interesting. I know you want to honor and not break the tradition, but this also is very interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Because very rarely you see this kind of work.
Mm-hmm.
So one more pattern that I'm seeing, Rashmi, in all of your works, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ tree and leaves, and you, even the other painting which has got a lot of flowers and ಬಳ್ಳಿಗಳ ತರ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದು ಒಂದು flower ತರ,
Mm.
there's an orange color thing. So there is some kind of fascination with flora fauna. You like plant to showcase tree. Is there a
Yes.
story behind that?
Yes, I like plants, flowers. Flowers I like. Colorful things I like. Uh,
Okay.
and this tree, like, again, no, had been for a show in like some gallery. There, that guy had done. He was from Thailand. He had done all this Bodhi
Oh,
tree.
okay.
I
Okay.
really liked it so much. In 2 days, I made one work of this tree. So
Okay.
until now, that is the best tree, whatever I have at my home. Like
Okay.
people they like and they'll give me order, but it never comes the same work.
Oh, okay. I
So
think you need to go back to Singapore for inspiration,
yes, I would love to.
because you repeated quite a few times, Rashmi.
Trees.
The people tree, yes, and all of them are good. So there is one series of the people tree, and you have another series which has got creepers and flowering
Yes.
plants or something.
Mm.
ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. So what was that also inspired from somewhere, or that was just from your own imagination?
I have seen like paintings and all. I like
Okay.
and I do that. No, that
Okay.
is the thing.
Okay. And all of these are very, very, very different kind of works. After so many years of doing the same thing, uh, do you feel like doing something different, or a content doing these kind of works? Andre, uh, you were doing one kind of work in college
Mm.
while you were also doing your traditional painting. Then you also, moved on to knife, and then you moved to stained glass. Is there something else that you always liked, but you've not got the time to do it?
I want to learn glass art.
Okay.
Glass art. I want to
Oh, that is
learn
blowing
glass
the
art.
glass and then
Yes.
making that. Oh,
Yes, yes. That, and I want to learn ceramic art also.
okay.
I've seen some beautiful, the bowls, glasses, and all very delicately done. So
Mm-hmm.
I would love to learn those two art. I want to learn.
Okay, okay. So in uh, all these years that you've now learned and now practicing, you're a practicing artist. Uh, do you also teach people?
Yes,
Do you
I
take
do.
classes?
Yes, I used to take classes for kids,
Okay.
small kids. I used to enjoy like with the kids. Then
ಎಲ್ಲಿದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ?
I used to do in Singapore also. I used to take class.
Okay.
And then Gagan was very young at that time. Then I couldn't take.
Okay.
Then I stopped in between. Then here in Bangalore, in my previous house, I used to take classes at home,
Okay.
even for
Gagan
ladies.
is Rashmi's son. How
Yes,
how old is your son, Rashmi?
he's 16 now.
16 now. You have one child.
Yes, I have one son.
Okay.
So he's
Uh,
in 11th grade now. Another one more year, then
one
I
more
will
year.
have my time to do.
Okay. So you're a very, very dedicated mom right now. So once this is done, once he's done with his at least this part of education,
Yeah.
probably in super time ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದಾಗ, then you can venture into all of these things.
Yes, yes.
Cake ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, so you get say in a week you get both traditional painting and baking order. What is your preference?
I really miss traditional painting.
Okay.
Whenever if somebody asks me to bake a cake, I'll be very happy to bake. While baking, I'll think, no, I'm doing this. No, I should have done that. So no, I like more of like traditional painting. I really,
Okay.
it gives me very like what to,
Satisfaction, no?
yeah, satisfaction. Whenever I get disturbed, I'll sit and do my traditional work. So it will calm down my this thing. I really feel
Yeah,
very
yeah.
nice while working on
Yeah, I think
traditional
it's very meditative. And this is exactly what we spoke. I think Anjali had the same feeling. Shilpa, you,
Mm.
Sushma. I think I think it's very meditative. And
Yes.
sitting for so many hours, ಅದ್ರ completely ಮುಳುಗೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ,
Mm.
when it comes out finally, when you see it, it's you cannot describe that satisfaction, ಅಲ್ಲ?
Yes. Sometimes I feel okay. I was doing like this. No, these days I'm not doing like much of traditional painting. So sometimes I'll think, okay, I was doing this kind of a work. Now I should start doing this. But
So what you're saying is, ನಿನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ನೀನ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ವಾವ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ನ ಅಂತ
yeah, I
ಅನ್ಸಿದ್ಯಾ?
really feel that. No, I'm
Okay,
missing that.
okay.
I have to start.
ಅದು ಕೈ ಚಳಕ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. I think it's just about restarting again.
Yes.
It's like once you've learned bicycle, you'll never forget how to ride it.
Mm.
I think the amount of interest and passion you have towards it, I think it's just by hath ka khel for you. I think you will do it.
Mm.
Um, it's a matter of time. It's just a matter of time.
Yes. Mhm.
So in 20 years of doing all kind of these work, do you ever feel like you should take a break and not do anything at all? ಆ ಥರ ಅನ್ಸಿದ್ಯಾ?
Never. Never.
Never? Never
Never.
got bored?
Never got bored. I'm very happy, like painting. So I'm very happy. I can sit at home, like I can do whatever I feel like, no, this painting or that,
Hmm.
I'll jump. So even classes
Hmm.
also, I'm not very keen because it all depends on our mood and no.
Yeah.
So all that is there. So right now, I'm not taking classes. I feel
Okay.
sometimes now I have to do this, I'll do, then again I keep doing. Now I'll be doing oil painting, then again I'll go for acrylic, then
Hmm.
baking, then even I have incomplete work, so I'm doing that. So I
Okay.
enjoy doing. I have never
Okay.
stopped all these
Never
years. Even
stop.
my son was a baby, still I used to sit and do, and even he never spoiled any of my work all these years.
Okay.
So like that, never have stopped painting and all.
Nice. Nice. That,
I
I
enjoy
mean,
doing.
like you rightly said in the beginning, that requires a tremendous amount of patience
Mm.
to continue. And doing the same thing for so many years needs a special kind of dedication ಅಂತ ನನ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, yes.
So in traditional painting, is there any grading? ಯಾಕೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಲಿಯಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ ಒಬ್ರ ಹತ್ರ,
Mm-hmm.
ಕಲಿಯಕ್
Mm-hmm.
ಹೋದಾಗ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಲಿಮಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಲಿಮಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆರ್ ಅದರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಸಮ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೋರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೈಸೂರ್ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್.
Yes, yes. Mm.
ವಿದಿನ್ ದಟ್ ಒಬ್ರು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆರ್ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಗಿವ್, ಆರ್ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಗ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ತರ ಏನೋ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಗುಡ್ ಬಟ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಂತ, ಹೇಗೆ? ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಸಮ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್?
Nothing like that. When people see your work and when they appreciate, no, you will like that. You
Okay.
will know your work.
Not necessarily those people who are appreciating it might be experts. For
Mm.
example, madam alwa.
Mm-hmm.
For example, the first year when you did the work versus you doing a work after 5 years versus something after 15 years. Obviously,
Mm.
there'll be a lot of difference because of experience and doing
Mm.
it again and again,
Mm.
repeatedly, right? So you
Mm.
probably
Mm.
become more better.
Yes, yes.
ಗೆಸ್
Mm.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅವಾಗ
Yes.
ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಅಪ್ರಿಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದುಂಟಾ ನಿಮ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು? ಇಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡರು ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಡ್, ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅದ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಏನಿದೆಯಾ?
No, actually, I had kept in Lalit Kala Academy. Nand
Okay.
works I had kept, I think, I don't remember which year, after coming back to India. So I had kept near Ravindra Kalakshetra. So there, some artist, he was very like renowned artist. He
Okay.
was waiting for me in my stall. I had gone
Okay.
to take a round, then he was waiting there. Then he asked me, okay, you are the artist. I told yes. He told it's beautiful, it's really very nice. Never give up this art. So
Okay.
that was the best, what to
Okay.
say. I was very
Protsa,
happy.
that's the
Yeah,
best compliment you could have received.
yeah, and that one. And even in Soul Santa, I had kept my works. There, Subramanya Raju antaro, even he's a traditional artist.
Rajesh sir's guru.
I think so. ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಒನ್ ಯಶೋಧ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ಸಂಬಡಿ see that painting, they'll think it's a print. Everyone likes that work of mine. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರು. ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಸುಶೀಲಾ ದೇವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ದೆನ್ ಹಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಹಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸುಶೀಲಾ ದೇವಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ
Can you tell a little bit about this madam, please? ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ.
Sushila Devi ma'am, she used to be in traditional painting classes. She used to take classes and all. She was very good at her work. She was very old, but her work used to be very nice, very neat work, intricate work. Don't you remember downstairs there was a traditional room?
ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀನಮ್ಮ. I know there's traditional painting, but maybe
Mahadevamma.
if you
You remember Mahadevamma?
I remember all of them. I know the entire staff. I remember everybody, but particularly this madam ಮೊಕ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ
She's
ಗುರ್ತು
aunt.
ಹಿಡಿಬೋದು.
She's Siri's aunt. You remember?
Oh, yes. Yes. Okay.
Siri's aunt.
Okay.
She was very good. And for me, Nanjun Rao sir had told after each work I had to show him. If I had done
Oh,
some mistake, yeah, every time I had to show him. Like once the work is done, he used to
okay.
tell me you should show me. So if I used to show him if I had mixed some Tanjo design or something in this painting. He used to call Sushila Devi ma'am and he used to scold her.
Oh,
So, like that, later
oh.
on, I used to get scoldings from Sushila Devi ma'am. It used to be like that. So, every work, he used to see my work and he used to tell me, you learn this art, that's enough. Always he used to tell me that.
Why don't you go back to college and teach, Rashmi? ಸುಶೀಲಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು you can't do?
I would love to.
ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ. Do no. It'll interest you also.
Yes, yes.
Close to your heart, alva?
It was
Interesting.
so.
One more thing you told me the other day when we were talking, while you were in Singapore, I'm sure you continue doing your arts there also. You were painting and you're doing knife painting and these Balinese Thai style of people tree painting. But you told me that you also designed a logo.
Yes.
What was it? Can you tell us the story?
Actually, Kannada Sangha in Singapore, they approached me. Actually, we have to register, like if we are going to become a member, we had to register. In that, I had written, no, I have done fine arts. So they approached me and they asked me, we want to do our logo again. So can you help us with that? So I was very happy. Then I did. So it has been registered now. That is the logo for Kannada Sangha in Singapore. Singara.
ಇವಾಗಿರೋದು it's the same thing. It's the same
Yes, same thing.
logo. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And in Singapore also, I had kept my works in a few of good gallery and all.
Okay.
Is
it expensive?
Yes. Actually, one gallery, that lady, she took 3 years to keep my works. She told me, I don't know anything about this art and all, so I'll get back to you, like that. She used to tell. Then one day she called me and she told, you get your works. So then we had kept there. And whatever price I had kept, she had kept 100% more for those
Okay.
works. I never
Okay.
thought it will be sold, but
Okay.
luckily, all my works got sold. That was one.
All.
Yeah, I had given four works,
Okay.
so it went for a very good price.
You have those pictures also? Singapore
Yes,
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
yes,
gallery
yes.
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು? Then please post that also. It'll be interesting to
Okay.
see.
Okay,
Super,
fine.
super. Uh, ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ I'll ask you what mostly ask everybody. What has CKP given you? What has Rorik batch given you?
Rorik batch, so much memories, lifetime memories. I always remember, no, like our classroom upstairs where Rorik's paintings were there. We used to sit
Yeah,
below that and we used to
yeah.
work. Oh, it was fun. Like I can never like come out of that CKP. I keep telling my family and all, they keep telling how many times you will tell, please stop, stop. But still, I can go on telling about like our classroom. Like it was really like,
I
uh,
think it was all of us, no? The environment, the people, all of us.
yes,
There's so much of excitement. Every day something was happening, funny incidents, uh, strange, weird incidents. ಆ ಥರನೂ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. How the teachers used to be with us. ಅವಾಗಂದಾಗ we used to think like, oh God, these teachers are so
mm,
horrible. They're so duty bound. They're so strict. But now when you get out and look at it, you see all of that was actually helping us.
yes.
So,
Even now, when we go to college, even that Clayman, Shivkumar, Shivraj, right?
yeah,
Shivraj and all, when we see them, we really go back to our college days.
yeah, yeah,
Oh, we remember those library and ma'am and all,
yeah.
how they used to
ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ
sit
ಹಾಗೆ
with us.
ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ದ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿಯನ್ ಶಿವರಾಜ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಶಿವರಾಜು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾದೇವಮ್ಮ ದಿಸ್ ಲುಕ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್.
Yes, yes, they're same. Even office people, like few of them.
Yeah,
You
Vijayalakshmi madam.
really go back to those college days whenever you go to college. I really enjoy going to college.
You know what I miss about college the most?
Mhm.
The old setup.
Yes.
ಕೆಳಗಡೆ the canteen, the cobblestone, the
Mm,
huts, the artistry hut that used to be right next to the painting department.
mm,
All those are nice. Even
yes.
the buildings, everything. So has CKP, apart from having fun and all that, has that influenced you in who you are today?
Yes. Yes, actually, see, in India, like if we tell someone, no, we did fine arts. These days, they know what is fine arts. It's not easy and all. But when we were studying, people used to take it very lightly. Oh, what you will do after no your
ತುಂಬಾ casual
degree?
ಆಗಿ.
No,
Yeah.
they used to take it very lightly. But now, after like meeting many other people in different places and all, the respect
Mm.
we get as an artist, it's very unique actually. They think, oh,
Yeah.
you're an artist, no, like that. So, like that,
I,
we
I
feel
think
very
CKP
nice.
ಒಂದು ಋಣ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಜೊತೆಗೇನೆ.
Yes, yes,
No?
yes, yes,
ಒಂದು
yes.
ಋಣ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. And to, we were talking about your family being uh, a strong supporter of what you're doing, your parents, your father, especially your husband, Mr. Nagendra, your son Gagan,
My
all of them have
parents,
your
my
parents.
mom
I
also.
started with your mom also. So you were saying your father actually said, don't stop baking and concentrate on painting.
Yes.
No, cake ಬೇಕು.
I'll do that for you all.
Hmm. So I mean, I think end of the day, that kind of support system is also very helpful when you have a certain ಏನದು ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ನಮ್ಗೆನೆ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ you might feel a little uh, bored or not motivated. ಅವಾಗ when you have this kind of powerful, what do you say, support from home, that enables you to do more. ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಜನ ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ಆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ವೇ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಲಕ್ಕಿ. ಸೊ
Mhm. You know that lady, Soul Sante lady, Asha Rao. You know that lady? Yeah, she's so upset with me. She
why?
likes my traditional works,
Okay.
So she stopped talking to me. I told I'm doing baking, and I started doing the stained glass. She was so unhappy. She told, I don't want to talk to you anymore. You know.
Okay.
So
I mean, that's her personal choice, but end of the day, you're the artist, and you decide whether what you want to do. Nobody decides that,
mm.
and it's okay. She'll become your friend because your work is good enough for her to
No,
call you
she's
back again.
also very nice. She always like tells you do traditional painting. Not many people do. Your hand is good in this. You should never stop this. No, she keeps telling me that. She encourages people. Uh,
Hmm.
she's very nice actually. Asha Rao.
I think you should start. I think in another year, I think you'll be doing all of these things. And I
Mm.
hope you get to do everything. Your ceramic that you wanted to try, glass, ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಮಾಡೋದು.
Mm.
I think all that you will do.
Class at we had been to Taipei. There I had been to Titot Glass Museum. There I
Okay.
saw some beautiful, no, like glass artwork. It was a
So
museum.
basically, ನೀ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಯಮ್ಸ್ ಶೋಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ಯು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆ ತರ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ
Yes, yes.
ದಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ದೇರ್.
Yes, yes. Mm.
ಸೊ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಟೂರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತೆ. ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಟೂರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಯುಲ್ ಬಿ
Mm.
ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಪಿಕ್ ಅಪ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್.
Yes. Mm.
ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಒಂದ್ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಟೂರ್ ಹೋಗದೆ ಇರೋದು ನನ್ಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಯಾಕೆ? Why?
ಕೇಕ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ?
ಕೇಕ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡೋದು. ಕೇಕು
ಇಲ್ಲ
ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರೋದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ನೌ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹಾರೈಸಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಯಾಕ ಕಮ್ ಆನ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಮೀ, ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋನಾ ಕಾಲ್ ಯು ಯಾಕ.
ವದೆ 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 ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. ಕಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
In the world all the time, but sometimes I feel scared talking to you.
Huh? What?
Rashmi,
Huh?
sometimes I feel scared talking to you.
Why?
I think the network. So ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ರಶ್ಮಿ, ಮುಂಚೆಯಿಂದಾನೆ ನೀನ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂಥರ ಭಯ ರಶ್ಮಿ.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಪಾಪ ಚೆ. ಬುರ್ಕಾ ಹಾಕೋ ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಯಶ್ಚಿತ್ತವಾಗಿ ನೀನು ಈ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ರೈಟ್ ವೀಕ್
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ನೀನ್ ನನ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಗಾಬರಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಯಶ್ಚಿತ್ತವಾಗಿ ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೇಕ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡುವಂತೆ, ನಾನು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್.
ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗ್ಲಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ and happy Diwali to you and your family, to Nagendra, to Gagan, to your parents, and to everybody who's watching this.
Same to you, Vinod. Happy Diwali. Wishing
Happy
you,
Diwali, ma.
happy, healthy, prosperous year, and thanks for all your effort in pulling us, in the showcasing about us. So this is my first.
Great. I'm happy, and this was fantastic. It was wonderful. Iga 2-3 months I had to run behind, for this to happen. Now this has happened. What do you feel? Was it difficult?
No.
It was just, it's us, that we all know each other.
Yes.
So there are things that you are saying today, or what you said today, that's going to inspire someone, and it's going to inspire me in whatever. Today I might not be able to say, okay, it inspired me because of this particular topic. No, but it stays with us. So thank you, first of all, for doing that. And I'm not being sarcastic. I really thank you for doing this. And we don't have to be shy. It's end of the day, it's us, and nobody's seeing it. It's a very closed group.
Yes.
Though it's on YouTube, nobody else is watching it. We're not promoting it anywhere.
Yes.
And we can show this to all of to our friends, to our family, and it's nice that you came and did this. Thank you so much, ma.
Thank you, Vinod. Thank you once again for all your effort. Okay.
Thank you. So see you soon. Keep painting, keep baking, keep feeding us with all your lovely posts of whenever you bake and whenever you do any kind of painting. It doesn't have to be part of the showcase at all.
Mm,
As and when in time ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀಯೋ ಒಂದು ಕೇಕ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀಯೋ put it on the group. At least there'll be some activity. That's one of
okay.
the reasons why I'm doing this, because for various reasons the group also has become a little thanda. So this can at least keep everybody active, everybody keeping in touch with each other. So ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ವಿಷಯಗಳು ಆಚೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ರಶ್ಮಿಯಿಂದ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಅಂತ ಹಾರೈಸ್ತಾ I will take a leave.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, 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 bye. Thanks, Vinod.
Thank you.